goes the progress. Taking my rims off, painting them white. Try to give it a feel for this summer. Took gas tank out, clean it up. Took off the deck. Probably sandblast it down, repaint it, make it look beautiful. I already kind of messed with this a little bit, sanded it down, and painted it. So that one's done. Sanding these down now. Try to get as much as I can of the old paint off, just so when I lay down the new stuff, it's nice and flush and looks pretty good. What's going on, guys? It's been work. It's been a lot of work, but we're getting through it. Other videos I kind of showed me doing a little bit of work on the lawnmower and painting the deck, sanded it. Well, not sanded it, but ground it down to all bare metal. I still gotta do a couple more things right there. You know. But it's not looking too bad. And here's the new part of the lawnmower. Printing out all my logos. Printed that out. Great Dane up there. Great Dane on the side. It's not bad. Just a little dirty. Ground it down. All these. Bring them back to bare metal. Give it a better finish. Because it was kind of messed up a lot. Go ahead and took off the exhaust. Put my name. Taped it all up. Painted it already. It's been some work. Exhaust is right there. Instead of going with the black like I usually do, decided to paint it gray, give it a little better look. We're going for a cleaner style. Try to throw white in it. The little clips. But it's been kicking me in the butt. I tell you that. Well, it's about 5:30 in the morning. Been working on it all night. I spent probably 4 hours tonight alone trying to sand, not try to sand, but you know, grind down the deck, and it's getting there. I painted it all black, just give it a little bit primer down because it was down all on bare metal. Painted all the spindle pieces and the parts that move the blades. Paint them black. Tomorrow, I'm tape it all off, and then I'm gonna rhino line it. The stuff that people put in the truck beds, and I'll be able to respray it, put it back to yellow, just so it gives it that more lasting look kind of thing. So if anything really happens, I don't really have to worry about, you know, it scratching whatever. The outside, I'll probably just finish up grinding it down, sanding it down into little parts that I couldn't get into. And yeah, I'm just gonna really just paint it the regular yellow that it had. I'm not gonna put the rhino line on it, then respray. Just give it a lot more cleaner look. And I got the deck size. I printed it out the other day. So 52, like that. Yeah, it's not bad. Thinking about possibly putting in the very front at the nose, put Great Dane across the front. Haven't really decided. It's a possibility, just to give it a little better stance and make it look a little more presented and a little bit custom to it. But yeah, it's been a night. Well, get back to work, and I'll probably when I rhino line it, probably tomorrow, something like that, or later on today. I'll probably video that just so you guys can see that. Trying the whole YouTube thing, so you know, it can't really knock me down too much. Just, you know, practice makes perfect, and I ain't got that much practice. So, third video, so I guess you can't really beat it, but give it a try, because I'm tired. And